Now in the last one I showed you how to break one rod into 10 units or ones cubes. Our new question asks us to break one flat into 10 rods. So the same rule happens with our flats and our rods. So remember from earlier, we discovered that one flat made 10 of these rods. So it's the same thing that happened here. We're going to keep the 2 flats that are already there and we're going to put 10 new ones on. So first thing I'm going to do is remove one of my flats because it's getting replaced. So we got rid of one. And now we're going to put 10 new ones on, leaving the 2 that are already there. So we start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And there you have it. So now remember, in order to upload your answer, let me move this, you're going to come to that snipping tool, click New on your cursor, hold it, hold it, drag it to where you want it to be, and there you have it. Now, you have to save, so you go to File, Save As. I'm going to say question 5. Save, and then you're going to upload it, like I showed you in the last video.